Welcome to Xrero Purchase. Let's dive in. Xrero Purchase manages buying from your vendors. You raise a request for quotation, RFQ, send it to suppliers, and when you agree on price, it becomes a purchase order, PO. Open Purchase from the Apps menu. The top menu groups everything by job. Every purchase document lives here with its reference, vendor, total, and status. It moves from RFQ sent purchase order when confirmed. Click New. Choose the vendor, set an order deadline, and add the products you want to buy. The RFQ is your request asking, what's your price for these? On the Products tab, add what you want to buy. Pick the product, its purchase description and last price fill in. Set the quantity and the totals update, including 5% VAT in the footer. A vendor is a supplier you buy from, with their address, payment terms, TRN, and contacts. Each PO is tied to one vendor. Their record shows all your orders and bills with them, plus the products they supply. Click Send by email to ask the vendor for their price. Xrero attaches the RFQ as a PDF and sets the status to RFQ sent. For an important purchase, raise RFQs to several vendors for the same products. Then compare the quoted prices side by side and confirm the best one. Once you agree on price, click Confirm Order. The RFQ becomes a purchase order, the date is stamped, and a receipt is created and inventory ready for the goods to arrive. The PO is the commitment to buy. Smart buttons link to its receipt and bill. The Other Information tab holds the buyer, payment terms, and the receiving warehouse. When the goods arrive, open the receipt or click Receive Products, check the quantities, and validate. Stock is added to inventory, and the PO records what's been received, the basis for billing. When the supplier's invoice arrives, click Create Bill. Xrero pre-fills it from the PO. Three-way matching compares three numbers, what you ordered, what you received, and what the vendor billed, so you only pay for goods you actually got at the agreed price. Each product's bill control says when to create the bill. On ordered quantities, bill the whole PO, or on received quantities, bill only what arrived. Confirm the vendor bill to post it to accounting. Then register the payment when you pay by bank transfer, check, or a UAE bank payment file for several bills at once. On a Products Purchase tab, you set the vendors who supply it, the vendor taxes, the bill control policy, and a purchase description. Each product can list several vendors with their price, minimum quantity, and lead time. Xrero uses this to pick the right price on an RFQ and to suggest the best supplier when reordering. When stock runs low, inventory's reordering rules can generate RFQs automatically to the preferred vendor, where you trigger replenish on a product. For repeat buying, use a blanket order, an agreed price with a vendor over a period that you draw down with quick orders. The vendor directory is your supplier address book, searchable by name, city, or product supplied. Each entry links to all purchases, bills, and the products that vendor provides, with totals for quick supplier review. Purchase analysis shows your spend by vendor, product, or month, plus average delivery delays and price trends. Use it to negotiate better, spot late suppliers, and control cost. The dashboard gives buyers the headline numbers, RFQs to send, orders to receive, bills to create, and average lead time, so the day's procurement work is clear to glance. Admins set buying rules here. Default bill control, purchase agreements, blanket orders and tenders, approval thresholds, orders above an amount need a manager's OK, and warnings for vendors. Good procurement controls cost and avoids overpaying. The card sums up how. The points explain. The flow in 4 words. An RFQ becomes a purchase order, goods arrive as a receipt, and the vendor bill is matched and paid. The questions buyers ask most with a quick answer. That is Xrero Purchase. Start your free trial today.